Hello everyone, this is Say. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a very easy DIY just using Dollar Tree stuff. Doki doki, let's go now and see the stuff you will need. Hey you guys, all the stuff I'm using are things I've been having for quite a while around the house. So I thought I should use them and create something unique. I'm going to lay down 6 glass mirrors and see if I like how it looks. Okay guys, what we're gonna make right now, it's a table tray to hold the box in place. Let's make sure we are gluing everything with careful. If you have any glue excess, let's make sure we wipe it down right before it dries up with your Q-tip or with paper towel. Let's make sure we put enough glue around each side of the mirror and spread it apart with the Q-tip so it won't make no mess. I'm just cleaning the excess glue around each mirror. So we're repeating the same step back and forth each time for each glass mirror. We are almost done making the tray. So far, I'm liking how it's turning out. Okay guys, so right now I'm just wiping down any glue residue left, making sure the glass mirror looks clean. Now let's make the box. We're going to glue the size of each glass mirror. Let's make sure to glue everything very careful so it doesn't fall down. As you see, I did not remove any sticky stuff under the mirror like the pads or the tag. It's not going to show up after you decorate, so you'll be okay with it. While we're gluing each mirror to create the box, let's make sure they're all straight. In this part, it kind of turns a little tricky because it keeps falling down. So you need something to hold it in between. As you see, I had to use the flower foam to hold it so it won't stop falling. I guess the flower foam didn't work out. It keeps falling. So you guys, as you see, it keeps falling. Not even the flower foam was helping holding the glass to stand. So I grabbed some woodcraft sticks and it helped me hold the glass mirror together. Okay, now that the box is done, we're going to add up the little tiny mirror glass around the tray just to add a little bit extra touch. So guys, I decided to add a little bit rhinestone for a little extra touch. This is from Joanne Fabric. I added up at each corner of the diamond shaped little tiny mirrors. Okay you guys, so now it is time to add the flowers inside the box. We're going to cut them and see how we would like to arrange them. I was having a little struggle, so I had to use my scissors to cut it. I apologize, you guys are not seeing the full arrangement and you can't see the flowers, so I'm so sorry. You can see a little peek of me through the mirror, shining. So I'm adding these cute little bunnies. Remember I said in the beginning of the video, I'm just using stuff that I have around the house. I know they're old, but I thought it would look cute to decorate right now. And finally, we're going to add the beautiful LED lights all around the flowers. This is going to make my coffee table look amazing at night and romantic. Are you guys ready to see the final look? Dun 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 dun. Aw, I love it so much how it came out. I'm going to put this in my coffee table. I'm going to look at it every single day. I'm going to turn the lights every evening. I love it so much, so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.